Ginny. We have Ginny here. She's struggling with knowing how to shut off the prong pressure. So she'll just kind of freeze. But what we're trying to teach her is if she might recall her, or I were to put her on place, which clearly she knows, that pressure goes away. She's in control of it. She doesn't understand that. So she just kind of seems timid and a little just shut down because we haven't really been able to find that release. So I'm gonna just run around with her and then every so often add a little leash pressure to see if she'll take it away herself and not overwhelm her with trying to get her to walk and using the prong. I want to slowly integrate that. See if that helps. Oh, good, yes. Nice, and I was just adding very little pops. This isn't, we get dogs like this. Sometimes this happens, especially when they're young. And you're obviously a baby. You're a wet baby because you were outside and it's raining. It's okay. Come on, Ginny. Good, good girl, come on. Yeah, come on. Good. Oh, that's so good. Hey, Ginny, can you sit? Can you sit? Very, very little pressure. Sit. Good. Sit. Just try it. Just try it. Sit. 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 Come on. Because we really want the dog to be in a good state of mind, because then they're going to want to work the treats and want to play. She's not taking any treats right now. So me just kind of running around, telling her good girl, building her up, and then stopping and petting is what I'm going to be doing today. Good. Oh, good job. You sure you don't want a treat? I'll make it small. Oh, these are better. I still have a couple of good ones from yesterday. They're so hard to break. Okay. And for her, she might need, a higher value treat to motivate her. So something like chicken or all natural beef hot dogs. Come on, Ginny, here. Yes. Good. We should stop by this door. Yeah. Come on, Ginny, here. Good. Yeah, good job. Place. That's so good. Stay. Good. Here. Good. Good. Nice. They need to get higher value treats.
What?
High value treats. Like hot dogs or chicken. We haven't had that forever.
Oh, for her?
For sometimes.
Okay.
And she may not even want to take it. Come here. Yes.
Okay.
Call the spunky in the middle.
No, Remy. Place. Remy.
time do I need to?
Before 9, like next,
Yeah.
after this one.
There's time?
Yeah.
It's at 9:30, not 9. So
Okay.
you got time.
This
Good job,
is a big deal.
Good job. Stay.
Oh, anyone. I played with him the day, what was it? What day was? 2 days ago. And he played with me, but not super. Did he play like really well with you?
Yeah, I had to tap Brianna in. I was like, I'm so tired.
Perfect. Okay. So I made it.
Good job. No, I really actually can't get it.
Place.
Don't say hi and then distract her. Ah, good girl. I'm so happy that you played it.
Place. Place. Place.
Ooh, ooh. Tap, 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 tap.
Remy. Place. No. Place.
Oh, nice.
No. Now you're just getting frustrated. Because I can see that you felt it. Stay.
What you got, Ginny? What you got? Oh. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Wow. It's here it is. Good job. Ginny. And she really wants to take it on the placement, which a lot of dogs end up wanting to do, so I'll usually sort of place that up. Oh, okay. Nice. Good girl. Good girl. Oh. I knew there was a dog in there. I knew there was. Ginny!
Oh yeah. Where do you think you're going?
And this is what I'm going to do the rest of the lesson. The fact that she's doing this is great. Oh! Oh! It bounced off your foot. What am I, chopped liver? Okay.
Yeah, why don't you? No. Yes. See, it's not that bad. You just get frustrated. That's what you call it.
Oh, you're so strong. Nice. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Have you what? What?
Miles.
Oh,
Oh,
do
you
it.
like
Dogs, don't. I don't play with dogs.
Yeah, he's okay. He's not allergic to anything. He's okay with dogs.
Good job! Good job! What up, Miles? Ginny? Ginny? What? Come here. Where'd that go? What? Wow. Hey, buddy. Oh. Hello. Your coat's very short.
Yeah.
Good job, Ginny. Ginny.
He was so good. Come on, buddy.
Oh. And when dogs are starting to open up like this, we'll let them jump on us at first, just so they'll open up more. But then we'll stop that.
Oh. It's a long way down for being so short.
I have a striped one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Can you sit? Do you want to sit? Sit. Whee! Ah, hooray! She works with the ball. Yay! Thank you for playing. I'm gonna keep working with her and keep playing ball. Good girl. Good girl.